Hey YouTube, I am back again with another video, guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install a ROM on the OnePlus 7 Pro. This device is already rooted, like I stated in my last video, guys. If you guys want me to show you on how to root a OnePlus 7, let me know down below and I will make an in-depth video on how I rooted this device. So first we got to do is power off the device, because we have to power in into boot mode, or you can also go to, let's see, I just prefer power off the device. There is an easier way to do this, but to power off the device, hold down the power up and the power down, actually the volume up and volume down and the power at the same time, so all three buttons at the same time. Then it should go into Fastboot Mode just like that. So after that, you're going to have to plug this device right into your phone right here. And next is the steps on the computer, because we're gonna have to install the TeamWin the file. Okay, so let's bring you over here, and if you guys can see, I am downloading the G apps so we could get Google Play Store on our device. So I'm gonna minimize that just for now, and we're gonna open up my file explorer where everything is. So I already have a folder right here where everything should be, and up here we're just gonna type in CMD, enter, bring it up the command prompt, and let's make sure our device is connected. So I'll do fast boot devices, and if you hit enter, the device should pop up right there. So next, what we're gonna do fast boot again, space boot, then we're gonna right click, because we have to copy this file right here, right click over here, pops up, then we put .img, just like that, hit enter. If you can see, downloading boot mode, and this will come back over here, it should pop up right away. So this menu will pop up, fast boot mode, TeamWin, bam, just like that, guys. That was pretty simple. So now we're gonna have to install the ROM. So let's see. So I do have the ROM, so I'm gonna go back to computer over here. Let's just click that, right click, and this is bam, just like that. Okay, so now let's go back to the computer, and if you guys do see right here, I have the ROM right here, the Paranoid ROM, I believe that's what it was called. Let's see. So all we're gonna do is just drag it over to our device, which is right there. It should do that. Make sure it's copying over. Then now we're just gonna wait for the G apps to be installed so we can install that too. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna come back once it's finished installing. I'll show you guys how to drag that over too. Okay. So one quick second, guys. Alright guys, so it is about to finish downloading. I don't know if you can see it right there, and if you do hear noise in the background, that is just my wife. She's in the kitchen cleaning a paintbrush really quick. If you guys don't know, we have a baby on the way and we're just getting everything ready, but I decided to make a quick video, quick break, and do a video for you guys, because I haven't made videos in a long time, especially regarding tech. So 2 seconds, longest freaking 2 seconds of my life. 99%, 1 second, then we're just going to transfer it to my phone just like we did the ROM, and after that, so we're going to go back to my device and we're going to install the ROM. Okay, it's not that pretty hard, but I have messed up a lot. If you guys don't know my last video, I've been looking for a ROM and I hear a lot of good things about this one. So now I'll go back over here, just drag it to my device just like that, let it drag over, and first we're going to install that, then we're going to install the ROM. Okay, let's see. Actually, we will install the ROM first. So go back to my device over here. And let's unlock it. Try to get this focused. Okay, so what we're gonna do, install first. You can see they're down there. So we're gonna do the OnePlus. We're gonna install. It's going to install the device, or the ROM. Sorry, not the device. This will take a couple seconds, just like the last one. But yeah, my last video was how to get back to stock Android, or how to get back to stock Android, which the Oxygen OS, I believe that's what it's called. And if you guys want a video, it's completed on my PC build, let me know also down below, and I'll do an in-depth video about that too. That's a budget build, and guys, it is a beast for being a budget build. It's RGB, came with 4 custom fans. We added 1 more fan. It's dope, guys. But it's almost done. So after this installed, we're gonna have to install the Google, the G apps. Then we'll boot the device. It's super early, guys. Step 2. Make sure you click on it every couple seconds, guys, because if not, it will lock, and I prefer to keep it unlocked just in case, especially during the download. everything. If you guys can see, step 2. Okay, done. Let's go home, install. Alright, let's see. Checking. There's a lot of issues with this one too, but I want to see if it came with the ROM. So let's see. Moment of truth. Error code. See error code. I always get that error code. But let's see. Okay. We'll go back. Then we'll reboot system. And it gives you these options: prompt to install. If not installed, install as a system app. So we'll hit swipe. And I'm finally wearing a hat in this video. Let's see. Like I said, guys, you guys will get this video because it's just showing you guys that the bootloader is unlocked. There's a video on how to lock it, but I probably won't do that for a while. But I might make a video just to show you guys. And if you guys enjoy videos like these ones, let me know, and I'll start making at least 3 videos a week about this, like stuff like this, ROM reviews. And if you can see right here, let's see. This is my first time starting up too, so we'll see if it works, guys. We will see if it works. And if you guys can see, I'm using a Gatorade, one of those powder bottles, as a camera stand, which, yeah, it works, right? Fastboot mode. Okay, let's see. So now we're gonna start it back up. Alright, it's gonna take a while, guys, so I'm just gonna put you back on pause, okay?
We're able to get.
Alright, guys, so if you do see, has finally finished installing, and everything does look like it's here, except the only thing that's not here are just the GApps. But I'll just go way back in and just reinstall those, because I think I just got the incorrect version for this phone. But everything, it does work right here. If you guys can see the settings right here, you can add the counts, the calling works, and I will do an in-depth review of this ROM once I get everything set up and everything back to normal, okay? But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, guys.